Okay, so to start off, I already have on foundation, and I am going to go ahead and add my light pink corrector, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my concealer on top of that. I just feel like the light pink gives me a little bit more brightness than I usually would get with just the concealer. I don't know, I'm just so addicted to it, and I can't stop. And there I go with my concealer, and this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. And now I'm going to blend that all out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I absolutely love this freaking brush, you guys. It is so versatile for everything. Oh, it's just great. I don't think that I can even go back to other brushes after using these because they are super soft, super durable for one, and also they're super easy to clean. Next up, I'm using Patrick's powder. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This kind of matches the light pink brightener that I put on, so I'm kind of hoping that it has that same brightening effect, which it definitely did. Look at that. Ooh. Now I'm using a fluffy brush with Patrick's powder again, just to set my entire face so it doesn't move for the entire day. And now to contour and bronze up the face, I am using my NARS Casino bronzer. I absolutely love this freaking bronzer. It is so good. It's not too red, it's not too orange, it's just the right amount of a brown bronze color. You can't go wrong with this stuff. And of course, cut out that double chin. Now I'm going to define my nose a little bit with that same bronzer. Now I'm just going to bronze up my forehead a little bit. Now I am taking my MAC and PatrickStarrr Glam AF palette. I absolutely love the names of these palettes and the stuff that he created. It's just so cute and so genius. I love you, PatrickStarrr. If you're watching this, oh my god, I love you. Anyways, I'm going to start with the light beige eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put that from my eyelid all the way up just so I have a color that I can blend out everything over and so nothing is really too sticky. Now I am taking the shimmery shade, and this one is actually called Oh My God. I love the name of that, it's so adorable. And I'm just taking that from my eyelid up to my crease. Now with a fluffy brush, go ahead and blend all of that out. You can never apply eyeshadow without blending. That is very, very bad. Very, very bad. Don't break that rule. Now I'm taking the medium brown shade and I'm going to define my eye a little bit. I just want to give it a little bit more of an exaggerated wing look without doing winged eyeliner. I don't know, I just feel like that really opens up my eyes and it just looks so gorgeous. Now go ahead and blend that out. And you're going to want to carry whatever extra product is on your eyelid into the crease area just to define it. Now take the darkest shade and go ahead and treat that a little bit like a very soft wing liner. Same with the other eye. Can't be lopsided now. Now I am adding that same dark eyeshadow to the bottom of my eyelids just to add a little bit of definition. And now it's mascara time. This part always excites me the most because it just takes your look from basic to damn. And I put on a couple coats of mascara because it gives me that look that I like, you know, that kind of fake look. And ta-da! The eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to go in and blush up my cheeks, and this blush is actually a Sephora VIB exclusive. That simply means that I spend way too much time and money in Sephora. But I'm using the NARS Gulu blush. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I totally butchered it, please forgive me. Now I'm just blending that with a clean brush. Ooh, highlighter time. I'm taking Estee Lauder Heat Wave highlighter. I absolutely love this freaking highlighter. It's a little bit more on the glittery side, so I'm using a really small fluffy brush to dispense this on my face because, I don't know, I want to look shimmery and glowy, but I don't want to look like a complete disco ball, so this will get me right in between there. And obviously the glow wasn't enough for me, so I went in with another coat on my cheeks. Oh yes! Now it is lip time. I'm going in with Mahogany Lip Liner. I absolutely love this freaking lip liner. Oh my goodness. It's definitely one of my faves. And with this step, I am only lining my lips. I'm not filling them in completely with a mahogany lip liner because I'm going for more of that Latina strong lip liner and light lipstick look. Fun fact for those of you who don't know, I actually am Latina. Among a bunch of other things. I am so mixed, you guys. Now I am going in with She Betta Work lipstick. This name has me living. And to top it all off, She Betta Work lip gloss. Oh yes. I can't believe I almost forgot my setting spray, but I use Skintone Bridal because it's just the best. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And just to let you guys know, I have a bunch more videos coming your way. It's been kind of slow lately because I've been going through some technical difficulties, but I'm getting all that straightened out. So stay tuned for some more fantastic videos from me. And until next time, bye guys!